Good morning, Friday the 4th of October. Oh fuck, I've got a cow that's interested, I'll show her in a minute. Friday the 4th, I'm going to have to make this quick. 30 randoms from the Dumfries shed to 10 miles. I'll spin you around. I'll show you why I'm going to have to be a bit quick about this. No, you go that way, love. You go that way. Where you go? No. So 9:30. 30 in the basket and a dicky gate. So I need to be hasty about this. You don't want to be a pigeon, love, do you? Oh fuck me, they're all coming towards me now, so. Sorry boys and girls, you're just going to have to do this quickly. 30 randoms from the Dumfries shed. With a southeasterly up their hoop at 10 miles. The Shawhead route in for Dalton. Gotta keep an eye on Maisie the Moo Moo standing beside me. Yeah, just let it sit there as long as you'll be fine. Right, I need to get back to work this. Now darling, just you steady. Whew. Got the gate shut. Maisie Moo Moo must have smelled the baskets, but 10 miles and oh, they're way up there. See that? Between the gap in there. So they're kind of on the right way. Back in the car and we'll bolt home. Thanks for watching. Okay, well it's 10:10 and I'm home and none of them are. So this might be a wee test. Morning Barney Trouble. Doing his own thing. So yeah, we'll hang about in the garden for a bit and see what comes. The autumnal thinning may have commenced. Nothing on the wires. Well, that's the 30 birds at 10 miles. I might have thinned them out quicker than I intended. 10 miles up at 22 and it's now 20 past. Curious. Keep a look out. Well, an hour and a bit later, I think the shedding process may have commenced at 10 miles. Two little reds there. Well done, Bubbas. You're on the team for the Old Birds next year. 2. Oh, here's another blue. 3. 4. I think we'll probably get 4 or 5 out of the 30. Not an hour and a half, but there are some birds coursing about here somewhere. So there we go. 10 miler. Done the job it was intended to do. See you later.